Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform the Blacklist simple check using the email number of your VIVO X200 FE. Okay, so we are on the email.info page. You can see the link right in here. And in this bar we need to type the email number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on this site, and in the same video I'm showing how to find the email number on your VIVO. So once you have typed your email number, simply click on check email. Now we have our VIVO X200 FE. Now we need to scroll down into the bottom, and here we can also see some basic information about the device. But let's scroll a little bit more, and the first option from the top under the basic checks is Blacklist simple check. So let's click on that, and let's click on the check Blacklist status. Now the site needs to process our order. It's not going to take long, and as you can see we have the confirmation that my device is clean and it simply isn't blacklisted. Below we can see the brand, the model, the email number of our device, is device clean, and the date on which the report was created at. Also we can perform the Blacklist premium check. We need to click on order now, but as we scroll down you can see that it costs $4 making an order, and the time needed for processing this order is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. As we scroll down, in here we can see a comparison how it will look like when device is blacklisted and how when it's clean. And also when it comes to the advantages of using the premium version, you can click on read more about. Now scroll down, and in here we have the advantages of using the paid version. So if your device is clean, the result contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate, which you can share. The result is saved on your email.info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime, and the result is fast, accurate, and detailed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.